Our today's question is from vector. The question is, the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 2i minus 4j plus 5k and I minus 2j minus 3k. Find the unit vector parallel to its diagonals. Also find its area. How we go about? The two adjacent sides are given. So we'll consider, let these two adjacent sides be A and B. So let vector A is equal to 2i minus 4j plus 5k and vector B is equal to I minus 2j minus 3k. Now we need to find out unit vector parallel to the diagonals. Now when the adjacent sides are given, how can I find out the diagonals? First diagonal, there are two diagonals in the parallelogram. The first diagonal I am denoting as D1. So D1 will be equals to sum of the two adjacent sides, A plus B. So that will be equals to this plus this. If I add 2i plus I, so that will give me 3i minus 4j minus 2j minus 6j, 5k minus 3k is plus 2k. Second diagonal, I am denoting second diagonal as D2. D2 will be vector A minus vector B. You must note this. Diagonals are obtained by adding the two adjacent and or by subtracting this. So the two diagonals are obtained by plus and minus of the two adjacent sides. So A minus B, this minus this. So 2i minus this. This will give me I minus 4j minus of this. So this will become plus. So this will be minus 2j plus 5k minus of this. So minus minus plus 3k. So this will become plus 8k. So if I find out the modulus of this vector D1, so that will be equals to, that will give me the magnitude root over of the coefficient square. So this will be 3 square plus minus of 6 square plus 2 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 36 plus 4. So that will be 36, 40, 49. Root over of 49, that is 7. So magnitude of diagonal 1 is 7. Similarly, if I find out the magnitude of diagonal 2, so that will be root over of 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 8k, so this is 8 square. So this will be root over of 1 square, 1 plus 4 plus 64. 64, 68, 69. So this will be equal to root over of 69. Now unit vector parallel to D1 will be what? Will be D1 by mod D. Unit vectors are obtained whenever you divide the vector by its magnitude. So vector D1 is this 3i minus 6j plus 2k and mod D is 7, mod D1 this. So this will be 3 by 7i minus 6 by 7j plus 2 by 7k. So this is one of my answer. The unit vector parallel to D2 will be equals to D2 by modulus of D2. So D2 is I minus 2j plus 8k. This divided by magnitude of D2. Magnitude of D2 is root 69. So this will be equals to 1 by root 69 I minus 2 by root 69 j plus 8 by root 69 k. So I got the two unit vectors as this. Now they have also asked, also find the area. Since I know the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, so area of the vector, area of parallelogram will be equals to mod of vector A cross vector B. So vector A and vector B is given to me. So I'll find out A cross B. Vector A cross vector B. So that will give me a vector. A cross B is I, J, K. Coefficients are 2, minus 4, 5. 2, minus 4, 5. And for the other one, 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right? So if I expand this one, I am going to get 22I plus 11J. The K term will get vanished. So this will be my vector A cross B. So if I find out modulus of this vector will give me root over of this square. 22 square plus 11 square. 22 square is root over of 484 plus 121. 484 plus 181, that will be root over of 605. 605 I can write it as 121 into 5. So that will be 11 root 5. So that is my answer, 11 root 5. This much square units will be the area of this parallelogram. So the two unit vectors are 3 by 7I minus 6 by 7J plus 2 by 7K. Another one is 1 by root 69I minus 2 by root 69J plus 8 by root 69K. And the area of the parallelogram will be 11 root 5 square units. Hope you have followed the method. I'll give you a similar sum for you to try.